Hello there. How are you all doing today? Do you like my lovely wavy white locks? Today I was going to take you on an exploration of my nature zone, otherwise known as my garden. I was going to show you one of the greatest amphibians in the world, which I called Kermit, as he is a frog, like Kermit, but not made of foam and felt. I believe he is at present trying to escape through the hole underneath the decking. Maybe we'll catch him in the act. The camera might get wet, as it is raining out here. He was down there, but clearly he has escaped. I took so long trying to comb my hair that I didn't get him in time. I best get the camera away from the wet. So, that was a boringly short video in which you never got to see Kermit. My name is Bob, and we'll see you again soon. Goodbye. How do I switch this thing off again? How do I, where am I going? Well, does anybody know where the button is to switch this thing off? Anybody? Is it here? Wait, I don't know.